Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook filled pancakes. I really love pizza and my favourite is the Hawaiian. So I'm going to fill my pancakes with ham, cheese and pineapple just like my favourite pizza. Now you can fill your pancakes with whatever filling you like. It really doesn't matter. Be creative and have fun. For the batter you will need 110 grams of plain flour, 300 millilitres of milk and 2 eggs. So once you've got your 3 basic ingredients, you're going to start by pouring your milk into the bowl with your flour. Then whisk that in just a little bit, it shouldn't take very long. Next, we're going to crack in the 2 eggs. Making sure you don't get any shell in the batter. When they're both in, we're going to continue whisking all of the egg. Make sure you whisk it nice and thoroughly so there are no lumps. There you go, nice and smooth, no lumps. So now I've got a smooth batter, I'm going to pour that into a measuring jug. That'll make it a lot easier when we come to pour the batter into the pan. And then I'm going to set my hob to a medium heat. Now my hob goes from 0 to 10, so I'm going to set mine on about 7. Next we're going to add the oil. If you add the oil to a cold pan, your pancakes can stick. So I've just let the pan heat up a little bit. It's not hot, it's just warm. And then you just, big squirt of oil and let that heat up a little more. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to slowly pour in the batter into the middle. Not too much, and then see if you can roll it around, see if you can get it to fill the whole of the pan. If there's not enough in there, like this, pour in a little bit more, just gently tilt it and roll it around, and you should see you can even fill the gaps like this. There we go, so see if you can get a nice round pancake. So this pancake has been cooking for about a minute or 2 and you can see that it's starting to dry up on the top. Once it's a little bit dry, what you can do is get your spatula. I'm using a plastic spatula because I've got a non-stick pan, I don't want to scratch it. I'm just going to go around the edges just to see if it separates. I'm just going to go around the edges, push it away, and once I can get my spatula all the way under, I should be able to flip it and we can cook the other side. Okay, so that pancake's cooking, you can see it's starting to bubble in the middle as well, so now we can turn that over and check the other side's cooked. So after a minute or 2, you should be able to check the other side of the pancake. Spatula under, flip it gently, and excellent. You see a nice cooked pancake. You can choose whatever you want, but for my fillings I have got cheese, pineapple and ham. So when your pancake's cooked, you can gently slide it onto the plate. Now it's going to be a little bit too hot to touch at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fillings on it now. So I'm going to start with my cheese. So sprinkle in the middle. Then I'm going to go with ham. And then finally the pineapple. I drained the pineapple earlier so it doesn't have lots of the juice in it, otherwise it would make the pancake a bit soggy. Okay, so just spread it all out. And now we're just going to grab the bottom, test it. Yep, it's okay. Make sure it's not too hot, it should have cooled down by now. And you're just going to roll it over like this and slowly roll it into a nice cylinder shape. And there you have your filled pancake. Okay, now for the best bit, I'm going to taste it. Absolutely delicious. Ham, cheese and pineapple filled pancakes. mean, to be fair, I'm not going to waste the pancakes. I might as well eat them. How many pancakes do you think are too many pancakes?